Google has an application called Personal Safety that tries to help you prepare and react to emergencies by connecting you quickly to first responders like police or your local fire station. It offers a number of additional features, including being able to record audio and video in times of need, sharing your location to emergency contacts, and more. But a recent update allows the application to send your health information to those first responders when you place a call to an emergency service like 911. Now, to enable this feature, we first need to open up the Personal Safety application. This app will come pre-installed on all Google Pixel smartphones, but you can also sideload it on all devices running Android 12 or higher. Now from here, we're going to tap on the Your Info tab at the bottom of the app, and then we're going to be selecting Emergency Info Access. And once this update is available to you, there will be a toggle on this page labeled Share During Emergency Call. It looks like this feature is going to be disabled by default, but it can be turned on very easily with a single tap. However, even after this feature has been enabled, you're going to need to enter your health information manually, and that needs to be done inside this application as well. And we can do this by going back to the Your Info tab that we saw before, and then tapping on the Medical Information option. This is where you'll need to go to manually enter details like your name, date of birth, blood type, height, weight, your known allergies, the current medications that you're taking, whether you're an organ donor or not, and any miscellaneous medical notes. All of the information entered on this page inside this app is what Google will be sending to emergency services if you have enabled this feature ahead of time. Because remember, this is going to be disabled by default. So while it does take some time to set up, it could be incredibly important to have your medical information available to emergency first responders so that they can better care for your needs.